Hey foodies, a warm welcome to all of you. Today let's learn how to make Ragi Laddu. Ragi Laddu is a very nutritious laddu and it's very good for your health also. So let's quickly check out the ingredients that we need to make it. First I've taken 1 cup of ragi. I've taken this brand. This ragi flour is easily available at all leading stores. You can take any ragi flour that is available. Then I have taken very little elaichi powder or cardamom powder just to flavor the laddus. I have taken less than quarter cup of cashew, that is ghee stir fried, 1 cup of coconut freshly grated, 1 cup of jaggery that's been chopped finely, and then 2 tablespoons of ghee to bring them all together. So let's get making. Now as you can see, I have put my pan on the gas and the pan is already hot. So I'll put in my ragi powder. We need to sort this on low flame. It's on low flame for about 8 minutes. Yes, it will take a little longer to get sauteed because it has to be really warm before we can add it into the jaggery mixture. Now this will take around 8 minutes, so we need to sort it really well to remove the rawness of the ragi flour, and this will take a while, so let's wait. You need to saute this on low flame continuously, otherwise the ragi flour at the bottom and in the center of the pan will get charred and the taste of the laddu will be lost. So be careful about that and keep stirring all around. Now if you saute this ragi powder in excess, you can make 1 round of laddu and then store the rest of the sauteed powder in an airtight container so that whenever you have some guests or even for the sweet cravings, you can always add jaggery and coconut grated and make laddus immediately. It's almost 4 minutes now and I'm still sauteing it. Now a point to be noted, the shelf life of this laddu is not great because we are adding raw coconut and it spoils soon enough. So if you make the laddus in the morning, you can finish it off in a day, and suppose after consuming you are still left with some more, kindly refrigerate it, and whenever you need it, just pull it out of the fridge, let it come to room temperature and then consume it. Now it's almost 8 minutes and the ragi powder is all beautifully sauteed and done. At this point I'll put off the flame and then we'll wait for it to cool before adding into the mixture. Now I've put the jaggery in a mixing bowl. To this I'll add the grated coconut and mix them really well. You need to combine them together and the coconut juices that are extracted will get mixed with the jaggery and the jaggery will melt a little. You need to really mix it properly so that when you eat the laddus you don't get bits of jaggery in your mouth. Now as you can see, I have really mixed them very well and I have added the elaichi powder. Now let's add our ragi powder and combine them really well. Now the jaggery and coconut mixture may look very gooey, but then upon standing, the ragi powder will soak up all the moisture from the mixture. So I'll give it a good mix. Now you can see that the mixture is very well mixed with ragi powder and it will look like this. Now we need to make laddus out of this. Before that, let's add some cashew bits. This is optional. If you like it, you can add it, or if you don't, you can just skip it. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of ghee just to bring them all together. And if you have homemade fresh ghee, then it will take a notch higher. You will love the taste. So 4 teaspoons from this will make 2 tablespoons. That is sufficient, but you can either increase or decrease it according to your wish. Now let's make laddus out of this. Now after adding ghee, you can see how beautifully they have come together. See, it should be like this, very shiny and beautifully combined. That's because of the ghee that we have added. Now make lemon-sized balls out of this. They'll come together beautifully with the addition of ghee. There we go. Now this is ready. You can place it on your plate and just keep 1 cashew in the center. Now doesn't that look pretty? Now let's finish off with the rest of them. Now all our ragi laddus are done and ready. With 1 cup of ragi powder, 14 laddus are made. So definitely this can be your go-to snack for those pre-dinner and pre-lunch cravings. And this is a very healthy option too. They look lovely, don't they? And they are equally tasty and yummy. So next time you go shopping, please remember to grab a packet of ragi flour and try making this at home. And the recipe is very simple as we have seen them. So please give it a go and let us know how you liked it. Thanks for watching.